Good morning. Today's morning message is allow the magic to be revealed to you. If you think this world isn't magical, you don't believe. You don't believe. You're not open up to it. So today I want you to open up to it. Open up to the magic. Allow the magic to be revealed to you. Because it really does feel like you're in a whole different world. I remember feeling dense. I remember putting the physical world before the energetic one. People put more faith in the physical world than they do in the spirit. But once you start placing your attention on the energy, on the subtle things that you can't quite see just yet, the magic will be revealed to you. I have a guide that goes with this too. The Shift World guide. You are literally shifting into a magical world. You're opening up, and that guide will definitely help you. It's absolutely free. And in the guide, I talk about what are you observing? Where's your mind going? When you think about your day, does your mind automatically run to fear? Automatically run to the things that could go wrong? Or do you ask yourself what wonderful things can happen today? Are you happy and excited to see the magic in the world? And this comes in various ways. Every single day. Every single day, something magical that's different from the previous one happens. And it's not about manifesting things. Yes. I just heard it's the whispers of the wind. Yeah. But it is. It's the frequencies that you start to pick up on. It's the energies that you start to feel, start to perceive more of. And it's beautiful. The plants seem more alive. The crystals, you can actually feel the energy. The wind, how the wind interacts with the trees. How the trees respond to the wind. How water literally comes alive. Water was one of the first things that I noticed that came to life whenever you're so present in the moment and notice. You're so present in the moment, your mind's not distracting you. You do notice and pick up on the subtle energy of things. And then even water looks differently to you. So the more you tune in, the more you pause, the more you allow the magic to be revealed to you, and the more you sense it and feel it however you perceive energy, right? The more you do it, the more it literally becomes a different world than what you've previously experienced. And that's why I share on my channel the practical and the spiritual and the magical, and because I can see both sides right now. And I've lost a lot of, I wouldn't say I've lost a lot of it, but I've let go of so much of the physical world and the beliefs that
connect to source
were created. It's telling me I need to charge my phone. I let go of so many that it feels like I'm literally living in a different world than the one that I was brought up in. But I've also played with the energy. I've played with my surroundings. And it goes deeper than that. It's deeper than that. Everyone wants to be magical and see things, but you can't even see the energy around you right now. Maybe you can. Or you can't sense it, right? And everyone can, but on like a deeper level. Like crystals have their own energy. That's why a lot of people start working with crystals, because they do have different energy. It's not just your intention that you can, but they do enhance. It depends on which one, because I have a Moldavite, and that one, holy shit, that one, my Moldavite is like, it reminds me of The Mask with Jim Carrey, but I actually have it nearby. Moldavite, don't fuck around and find out with Moldavite, okay? And don't play. And yeah, which is funny because I'll actually probably I'll work with that again. Let me just put it back in its place for now. Because I worked with it at the beginning of this year in Kalima. Shit. But allow the magic to be revealed. Stay very present, moment by moment. Open up, observe your surroundings with no judgment, no labels. Just observe. You can even do it with fire. Use the element of fire. Fire is actually very good for your brain staring into the fire. But you can meditate with a flame, just even a candle. Allow the magic to be revealed to you. On my website, there's a free Shifting World guide, because it literally feels like you're in a different fucking world. Sometimes I have to remind myself of the different reality that other people are living, so I can address them in their current reality, because we're all in our own different world. And I remember what it was like to be in that. But I also have always been like, your rules don't apply to me. So I hope you have a great day. Check out the free PDF. It will help you. It'll definitely help you. Print that shit out. Carry it around. Carry a reminder. Have an alarm on your phone. My phone talks to me all the time. Allow the magic to be revealed. Tune into the frequency. Allow the subtle energy to become more than just subtle energy. Because at first you don't even notice it, and then it stares at you. Then it's in your face. Then it's hard to ignore. What new world are you in? What do you believe about your world? You are magical. You are very powerful. Sit with that today. Allow it to be revealed to you today.